Good morning, students. It is our science video, class 7, part 14. Student, in our previous video, we are discussing about nutrition in amoeba, and we revised it also. So in this video, we will discuss nutrition in human beings, that how the organisms or human body digest their food and take nutrient from it. Students, we know that in digesting our food there are many organs or many human body parts which are involved in digesting the food, and the whole system is known as digestive system. So the digestive system of human body includes the alimentary canal and digestive gland. जो पूरा ह्यूमन बॉडी सिस्टम है, जो पूरी ह्यूमन बॉडी है, वो दो चीज़ों में डिवाइड है. फर्स्ट इज़ एलिमेंट्री कैनाल एंड सेकंड इज़ डाइजेस्टिव ग्लैंड्स. एलिमेंट्री कैनाल which includes all that organs which involved in the nutrition process. एलिमेंट्री कैनाल में वो ऑर्गन्स आते हैं जो पूरे न्यूट्रिशन प्रोसेस में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, खाना इनटेक करने से लेके खाना फूड एक्सक्रीट आउट तक. डाइजेस्टिव ग्लैंड whenever we intake our food and it goes into our stomach, so there are many juice, many chemicals secreted through which the food digest. So that juice, that chemical comes in digestive gland. Example like bile juice. Okay, so human body is divided into two, alimentary canal and second is digestive gland. Now students, we will discuss some alimentary canal parts, and which is about 21 feet long. As you can see in the diagram, human digestive system, in which the picture showing us buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. So in last video we already covered buccal cavity. So again I am revising you what is buccal cavity. Students, buccal means mouth and cavity means space. So our mouth having some space in which there are teeth, tongue and salivary glands are already present, and it is guarded. It means it is protected by two lips. So the mouth which is guarded by two lips leads into buccal cavity. Muscular tongue, teeth and salivary glands are present in buccal cavity. And I already told you in last video what is salivary glands. Again, salivary glands, whenever we intake the food in mouth, some watery secretion take place which help in digesting the food. The watery secretion is known as saliva, and through which it secreted known as salivary glands. मतलब जब हम कोई भी खाना इंटेक करते हैं, then in our mouth there are some watery secretion and that water known as saliva, और वो किसके थ्रू सीक्रेट होता है? salivary glands. Like जैसे sweat, example पसीना, it is secreted through sweat glands which are present in our body, same as saliva. So students, what is buccal cavity? Buccal means mouth and cavity means space. एक जिसमें कि लिप्स, टीथ, सलाइवरी ग्लैंड प्रेजेंट होते हैं. एक तरीके से हमारा माउथ जो है वो ऐसा ओपन स्पेस की तरह है और उसमें ये सब सिचुएटेड हैं ऑर्गन्स. सो बकल कैविटी फर्स्ट कंसिस्ट टंग, and we know that tongue having many functions, and it is the primary or essential organ of the body. Why it is primary and essential organ of the body, students? Primary is for because it help in digesting food and in speaking, and important for what? Through which we can speak, we can say anything to anyone. And the last one, it tastes the food because it consists some taste bud. Taste bud is what? It is the sense buds through which it senses the food taste. So tongue is a muscular structure. Muscular means muscles which having no bone. So it is a muscular structure, help in ingestion, mastication and swallowing of food. Student, ingestion I already told you, ingestions mean intake of food. Mastication when जब आप जो चपाती का कॉर होता है, आप जब उसको अपने माउथ में रखते हो, देन इट ब्रेक डाउन इनटू स्मॉलर वंस, so it is known as mastication. Swallowing of food, when you swallow your food into your stomach through the esophagus, so and it is done by tongue. So swallowing of food. Next, अभी जो ये जो हमने फंक्शन थे वो था डाइजेस्टिंग में फंक्शन की, कैसे किस तरीके से जो टंग है वो हमारे फूड को डाइजेस्ट करने में हेल्प करती है. नेक्स्ट आता है it also help in speaking, like I am teaching you, I am reading those lines, so with the help of tongue. So it is also help in speaking. There are numerous taste buds on its floor. It means having taste bud means जो फूड का टेस्ट सेंस करती है, थ्रू विच वी नो दैट फूड इज सॉल्टी, शुगर, सोर और बिटर. अगर हमारे टंग पे टेस्ट बड नहीं होगी तो हमें जो फूड है वी डजंट फील एनी टेस्ट, बेस्वाद लगेगा हमें फूड. सो इट हेल्प इन सेंसिंग द फूड विद द हेल्प ऑफ taste bud on the floor. And you can if you want to touch your tongue, then you feel there are numerous buds like structure present on it. So it is the taste bud, and they are not in hundreds, they are in millions present on our tongue. Next, teeth. Students, जितने भी higher animals, they possess teeth, like lion, tiger, human being. All higher animals possess teeth, but having some different structure, having some different teeth through which they ingest their food. So there are maximum number of teeth. There are 32 teeth in human, in upper jaw and lower jaw. Then they are again divided into 4, which is incisor, canines, premolars and molars. And the main function of the teeth, student, they help in cutting, tearing or grinding. Cutting like if you want to cut, जब आपको thread cut करना हो, कोई धागा cut करना हो, so you cut with your teeth. Tearing like अगर आप चिप्स के पैकेट टेयर करते हो sometimes. And grinding means जो चपाती का कॉर है उसको चबाना, उसको स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स में डिसोसिएट करना, तोड़ना. सो इट इज़ अ ग्राइंडिंग ऑफ फूड. सो व्हाट आर द प्राइमरी फंक्शंस ऑफ द टीथ, स्टूडेंट्स? दे आर कटिंग, टेयरिंग एंड ग्राइंडिंग. सो क्या पढ़ा अभी हमने? जो टीथ है वो भी प्राइमरी स्ट्रक्चर है ह्यूमन बॉडी का, एनिमल्स का. जितने भी हायर एनिमल्स होते हैं लाइक लायन, टाइगर, काउ, सबके ऑल हैविंग टीथ बट डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर्स. एंड ह्यूमन बॉडी में कितने होते हैं? 32 in upper and lower jaw. Then there are 4 types of teeth, but basic function क्या है सबका? Cutting, tearing and grinding of foods. So first is incisor. Students, incisor are flat, seashell shaped front teeth and they help in biting and cutting. ये फ्लैट होते हैं, सेशल शेप्ड होते हैं, फ्रंट टीथ जो आपके जो फ्रंट में जो फ्रंट टीथ हैं दे आर नोन एज इंसीजर. लाइक यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर इंसीजर. जो फ्रंट टीथ आपको शो हो रहा है दे आर इंसीजर इन अपर एंड लोअर जॉ एंड दे द कॉमन फंक्शन ऑफ द इंसीजर teeth are they help in biting, like whenever you bite a biscuit, chips. So with what type of teeth help you in biting? You call, the answer is incisor. Next, canines. These are sharp and pointed teeth that grow next to the incisor. They also help in cutting. Same again you have to see in your book. Canines which grow next to the incisor, like same in the picture. First जो front teeth है that they are incisor, उसके side में ही canines हैं. और zoom करके भी I am showing you that incisor are pointed teeth, then incisor. Canines are pointed teeth, then incisor. You can see clearly. Or if you want to eat fleshy food, fleshy means like chicken, meat, pork, fish, so you bite them with the help of canines. आपने हमेशा ऑब्जर्व करा होगा जब भी आपको कोई चिकन खाना है, मीट खाना है, तो आप हमेशा साइड से बाइट करते हो. साइड से बाइट करने में कौन सी टीथ यू यूज्ड? कैनाइन टीथ. Next is premolars and molars. Premolars and molars, when you eat chapati, so you bite from the last, एकदम लास्ट में लेके जाते हैं अपने माउथ में. So what type of teeth? Premolars and molars. आप अपनी बुक्स में इजीली देख सकते हैं. जो प्रीमोलर्स एंड मोलर्स हैं उनको लास्ट में शो करा हुआ है. मोलर्स लास्ट एंड प्रीमोलर्स सेकेंड लास्ट. जो स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड ब्रॉड टीथ होते हैं. फर्स्ट प्रीमोलर्स सेम नेक्स्ट टू द कैनाइन्स आर ब्रॉड, फ्लैट, helping chewing and grinding of food, like whenever you eat chapati, same as molar. Their last teeth also large, broad, grinding, help in chewing or grinding of food. So students, these are some types of the teeth, and there are further sets of the teeth which develop according to our ages, and this will we cover in our next video. Okay.